you're part of the enduro scene, Billy Bolt is a name you can't miss. He's a trials pro turned enduro sensation, celebrated for his slick riding moves and fearless attitude on the track. Known to take risks that leave spectators holding their breath, Bolt's story is too rich to cram into a single video. It's more like the stuff of a gripping novel. Billy Bolt was born on August 17, 1997. His journey into the world of motocross began at the tender age of 6, but after just a year he found his true calling in trial riding. Rising swiftly through the ranks, he dominated youth competitions, clinching victories in prestigious events like the Mintex Time and Observation Trial and the YMSA C-Class Championship. In 2015, Bolt made the leap to the professional circuit, competing in the World Cup and British Championships. Despite his young age, he showcased his talent on the global stage. The following year, Bolt ventured into the realm of hard enduro, immediately turning heads with his extraordinary skills. Competing as a privateer, he astounded the community with remarkable performances, including a stunning 5th-place finish at the grueling Red Bull Erzberg Rodeo Hare Scramble, marking his debut in the event as a complete rookie. Billy's journey took an exciting turn in December 2015 when he purchased his first enduro motorcycle. With his sights set on conquering the ultimate challenge, the Erzberg Rodeo in Austria, he dove headfirst into preparation. His talent was immediately evident as he secured a spot in the top 20 riders during the prologue. However, a setback during the second prologue saw him plummet to 50th place due to motorcycle issues, relegating him to the second row for the main event. Undeterred, Billy pushed himself to the limit once the race commenced, swiftly climbing to 4th position. However, misfortune struck when a collision with a rock caused his sprocket chain to dislodge and entangle around the front sprocket, costing him precious time as he struggled to rectify the issue. Despite this setback, he displayed remarkable resilience, ultimately crossing the finish line in 5th place. For a young rider tackling such a monumental event against seasoned competitors, Billy's achievement was nothing short of remarkable, solidifying his status as a rising star in the world of enduro racing. Following his standout performance at the Erzberg Rodeo, Billy Bolt's name resonated throughout the enduro community, marking the beginning of a promising journey. His momentum surged as he secured a coveted factory contract with Husqvarna, elevating him to the status of a factory rider with comprehensive support. With his own dedicated team of mechanics and a host of resources at his disposal, Bolt's path to success seemed assured. In 2017, Bolt's talent continued to shine as he consistently placed within the top 8 riders at renowned events such as the Red Bull Hare Scramble, Red Bull Romaniacs, and Red Bull 111 Megawatt. These achievements solidified his position in the discipline as he honed his skills and gained invaluable experience. However, it was in the following year that Bolt's career truly skyrocketed. He etched his name into the annals of the sport's history by clinching the title of Ultimate Enduro Champion in the prestigious World Enduro Super Series, cementing his status as a force to be reckoned with in the world of enduro racing. Billy's crowning moment as the Ultimate Enduro Champion came with a triumphant win at the iconic Extreme Lagares in Portugal, a victory that reverberated across the enduro world. His podium finish at the high-speed Red Bull 111 Megawatt and Hawkstone Park cross-country rounds further solidified his dominance in the discipline. Unfortunately, Billy encountered a setback in 2019 when a leg break disrupted him to defend his title. However, true to form, he staged a remarkable comeback, showcasing his resilience and determination. By the end of the year, he had regained his top form, culminating in a historic achievement, clinching the 2019 Super Enduro World Championship title, marking his inaugural triumph in the stadium-based competition.
Nice, man! Woo! Bravo!
As racing returned to a full calendar in 2021, Billy Bolt showcased his unwavering skill and determination as the WESS Series evolved into the prestigious FIM Hard Enduro World Championship. Demonstrating his dominance, he powered his way to victories at the Abstone and Red Bull TKO rounds, ultimately securing the title of the inaugural FIM Hard Enduro Champion. Not content with just one triumph, Bolt continued his winning streak by sweeping the Super Enduro events, clinching his second indoor title with finesse and precision. His versatility shines through, whether navigating fast, cross-country style races or tackling the most challenging, trials-inspired hard enduro terrain. With his track record of success and unparalleled determination, there's no doubt that Billy Bolt will remain a formidable championship contender for years to come. The 2024 series presents Billy with a monumental opportunity to secure his fourth consecutive world title. Building on his incredible success in 2023, where he not only dominated every round, but also triumphed in all but one of the 15 races, Billy is poised to replicate this remarkable feat. Riding his FE350 with unparalleled skill and determination, Billy has set the bar high for himself, aiming to once again assert his dominance on the track and etch his name even deeper into the annals of enduro history. With his eyes set firmly on the prize, he's prepared to tackle every challenge that comes his way in pursuit of another championship victory. Stay tuned for more thrilling updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss a moment of the action. Until next time, keep the throttle wide open and ride on.